ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ka Jaintia Students Union haka Hendreo tarik ubnai naiwing arajar arpuway kala penkup buram ya prapongut ki samla puli ki bala pas bha haka examen SSLC HSSLC but ki way di ki kerdan puli haka jingelang ka balalong ha District Library Auditorium mentong Jowai. Hagani ka sngila sakhilang do MLA jong ka Jowai constituency uba Wailat Miki Shilla ubalalong Kongsan harengkat lang Superintendent of Police jong ka West Jaintia Hills District Bikram D Marang Deputy Superintendent of Police ki East Jaintia Hills District uba Jason Myroy udaloy jong ka Elka Jowai uba Puramon Kinjin nalor ki Nongelam Barim jong ka JSU. Nalor ki samla puli ka sengkala penkup buramru yo ba H.H. Morman ubadang supendep ya ka kerdan doctorate naga school ba Martin Luther Christian University Shillong. Hadin gani ka jingelang penkup buram uba Violet Miki Shilla ula IT ya ka kalikit nongpang naga ambulance sya ka Jaintia Students Union ka ba ula penyo lingba ka Special Rural Works Program jong usnem arhajar arpo way.
Pengelmo ipi, wak JSU desai ka Cibun, ki Nongelam Cibun, ki wastat nangni kepo keslam jo Jaintia Students Union. So I always used to say this: JSU is just not mere organization or a pressure group. JSU is an institution that grow leaders in the state of Meghalaya and also in the Jaintia community as a whole.
La